Labą dieną. Gaminsime makaronų su sūriu.
Hello guys, we hope you are doing very well. Begin by boiling a liter or 33.8 fluid ounces of milk.
Dabar, kol pienas užvirs, suvalgysi kriaušę.
Iš kur ta kriaušė, iš tavo sodo?
Iš mano sodo, taip. Labai skani. Norėsi, Romai, paragauti?
Na, norėsiu.
Gerai, tuoj palauk. Palauk, iš mūsų. Prašau, ponas.
Ačiū.
Nu, ten skani.
Ką čia jau valgai man?
Saugaini? Tau nedaviau.
Tai bloga močiutė esi?
Galiu už mane privalgai.
Add 400 grams or 14.1 ounces of macaroni and boil until the pasta is tender and all liquid milk has gone. Choose the shape according to your liking or availability. Add 200 grams or 7.1 ounces of butter and mix everything well. Mix the spices with pasta, 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese, garnish with some fresh basil if possible. Grate some Parmesan or similar cheese on top. Here you are, more.
Tai siūliukai kempėsi. Skanu. Skanu.
Okay, I'll try it now.
Man lyg atšaus, Romai. Tikrai tuoj atšaus, Romai.
It's awesome. I like it a lot. It's very delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Our channel has been doing very well lately, and it's only because of each and every one of you. You would help even more if you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. In addition to that, you can use one of the links in the description below to support us. Until next time, goodbye. Cheers.